Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter number 3, playing with numbers. From now, we are going to refer our school textbook. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the first topic of this chapter, which is definition of factor, definition of multiple and their properties. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the factors, multiple and their properties. So let's begin. Some more examples of factors. So first thing, find the factors of 6. So we have to find out the factor of 6. So just find out by which number 6 is divisible. So 6 is divisible by 2 and 6 is also divisible by 3. So we can say that the factor of 6 is 2 and 3. Now we have to find out the all factors of 12. We have to find out the all factors of 12. So find the numbers by which 12 is divisible. So the 12 is divisible by 2. So 2 is the factor of 12. The 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 is a factor of 12. The 12 is divisible by 4. So 4 is a factor of 12. And 12 is divisible by 6. So 6 is a factor of 12. One more example. For that we take 25. Factor of 25. Now when we see this number 25, 25 is only divisible by 5. So we can say that the factor of 25 is 5. As you all know, 1 is the common factor of each number and the number itself a common factor of each number. So we can say that factor of 25 is 1, 5, 25. Here 1 is common factor, so when we add 1 here and 6, so the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 1 and 12. So 1 and number itself is a factor of any number, and the okay. Now some more example. It is not compulsory that each number have a factor rather than one or itself. For example, if we take number 13, so there is no number in which table 13 is came. 13 only came in its own table. So we can say that the factor of 13 is 1 and 13. So the such kind of number, those factors are only 1 and 3. They are known as prime number. They are known as prime number. We are going to discuss on that afterwards on the prime number topic. But for an example, if a number is there whose factor are only 1 and 13, they are known as prime number. So let's repeat again. What are the factors? Factors are the numbers which are divisible by the given number. For example, if we have to find out the factor of 6, we have to find out the numbers which are divisible by 6. So 6 is divisible by 1. So 1 is the factor. The factor of 6 is 1. 6 is divisible by 2. So the second factor of 6 is 2. 6 is divisible by 3. So the third factor of 6 is 3. And 6 is divisible by 6. So the third factor of 6 is 6. Now take the number 12. 12 ones are 12. 6 twos are 12. So 2 is also a factor. 3 fours are 12. It means 12 came in table of 3. So the third factor is 3. The fourth factor is 4. The fifth factor is 6. And the last is number itself. Number 25. 25 ones are 25. The second factor is 5 because 25 came in the table of 5, and 25 ones are 25. In such way we can find out the factors. Now let's see some properties of factors. Now some properties of the factors. It is given on page number 44 of our textbook. Page number 44 of our textbook, the factors, the properties are given. So let's begin with the properties. The first thing, there are finite number of factors of a given number. There are fixed number of factors of any number. For an example, if we find out the factor of 18, we get 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So we can say that there are the fixed number of factors of any number. The second point, 1 is the factor of every number. If you take any number and find out its factor, the 1 is common. For example, 10 is equal to 1 into 10. So 1 is the factor of 10. 8 is equal to 1 into 8. So we can say that the 1 is factor of any number. The third thing, which we already explained to you, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. For example, if the number is 15, so we know that there is a one factor of 15 is number itself means 15. The fourth point, every factor is lesser than or equal to the given number. If we have to find out the factor of any number, it is fixed that the factors of a number is equal to or less than the given number. It is not possible that if we have to find out the factor of 7, it is more than 7. For example, if we to find out the factor of 12, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The highest factor is 12. It means number itself, it is not possible that a number have factor greater than that number. So this is the part for the factors. Now came to a second topic of the day is multiples. A number is a multiple of each of its factor. For an example, 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. So we can say that a number is multiple of each of its factor. So see, 6 came in table of 2. So we can say that 6 is the multiple of 2. 6 is came in the table of 3. So we can say that the 6 is the multiple of 3. The numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiple of 2 because all numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 are came in the table of 2. Similarly, 5, 10, 15 are the multiples of 5. It means the all number 5, 10 or 15 come in the table of 5. In other language, we can say that if we have number, the number came in the table, they are the multiples. Let's see in our notebook. Now see, our next topic is multiples. So someone tell you write the multiple of 2. Write the 10 multiples of 2. Just write the table of 2. For example, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8 and going on. So the number came in the table of the 2 are the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. In other language, by which 2 is fully divisible, it is the factor of 2. It means that 2 is divisible by 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2. 2 is divisible by 4. Sorry, 4 is divisible by 2. So 4 is the multiple of 2. 6 is divisible by 2. So 6 is the multiple of 2 and 8 is divisible by 2. So the 8 is the multiple of 2. So we can say that in simple language, just remember one thing. The numbers came in a table are the multiples of that number. So we have to find out the multiple of 2. It means if 2 is coming in the table of 2, it is a multiple. 4 is come in the table of 2, so it is a multiple. 6 came in the table of 2, it is a multiple. For example, multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. 7 ones are 7. So 7 is a multiple of 7. 14, 21, 28, 35. So we can write as much as you want the multiples of any number. So we can say that the multiples are infinite. There is no fixed number of the multiples. They are infinite. We can write as much as we want multiples of any number. Now see some properties of multiples. Multiples. The properties of multiples. Multiples of a number are infinite. So we can say that we can write as much as you want multiples of a number. They are infinite. They never ends. For example, if we write the multiples of 12, it is 12, 24, 48 and going on. They are not fixed. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Because if because every number came in the table of 1. Every number is a multiple of itself. If we write a number, so 5 ones are 5. So this 5 came in the table of 5. So every number is a multiple of itself. Multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the given number. The multiple of a number is never be less than the given number. It should be equal to or greater than the given number. That's it for this video. In next video we are going to discuss other topics.